Hello everyone. We have learnt previously about successor, predecessor, face value and place value and expanded form of numbers in my previous video. Today we are going to learn some new topics such as comparison of numbers, number arrangement and building of numbers. Let's start with comparison of numbers. While comparing numbers, we have to follow some rules. Rule 1. The numbers with more digits is the greater number. It means when we are having number with different digits, then the number having more digits is the greater number and the number having less digits is the smaller number. We will be more clear with an example. 4276 is the first number and the second number is 192. Now here first number is having 4 digits and the second number is having 3 digits. So the first number have more digits than the second number. So the first number is greater number and the second number is smaller number. Rule 2. If both number have equal number of digits, then the number that has greater digit in the largest place is the greater number. Suppose we have 14,352 as a first number and the second number is 14,552. Here both the numbers have the same number of digits. So we start from the left and compare the digits until we find 2 digits that are different. In these numbers, first 2 digits are same. Then at the hundreds place, both the number having different digits, 3 and 5 accordingly. We know that 3 is smaller than 5. So first number is smaller number and the second number is greater number. In the same manner, we can do the comparison of any number. Now we will move to number arrangement. In this, we are starting with the ascending order first. Ascending order means the increasing order. We have to write the numbers from the smallest to the greatest number as we move upstairs. The smallest number comes first and then the next greater number, and like this we keep on writing the next greater number, and lastly we write the greatest number. Let's take an example. How to arrange the given numbers in ascending order? The numbers are 1532, 1569, 169 and 19654. We know the rules of comparison. Which number has less digits is the smallest number, and if number of digits are equal, then we have to look the number left to right and compare the digits with their values. Here first number having 4 digits, second number also having 4 digits, third number having 3 digits and fourth number having 5 digits. So among them, third number is the smallest number. So write it first. 169. Then first and second number having same number of digits. So compare their digits left to right. Here first 2 digits of both the numbers are equal, and at the tens place we will find the different digit 3 and 6 accordingly. We know that 3 is smaller than 6. So write next greater number after 169 is 1532. Then write next greater number 1539. And at last write the greatest number, which is 19,654 here. So this is how you arrange the numbers in ascending order. Now let's talk about the descending order. Descending order means the decreasing order. We have to write the numbers from the greatest to the smallest number as we move downstairs. The greatest number comes first, then the next smaller number, and keep on writing to the smallest number. Let's take an example. How to arrange the given numbers in descending order? 8,240, 908, 90,816 and 918. Now which is the greatest number? For finding that, we have to count the digits first. Here, first number having 4 digits, second number having 3 digits, third number having 5 digits and fourth number having 3 digits. So, third number having more digits. So, we write it first in this order. So, write 90,816 first. Then, first number having 4 digits. So, next smaller number is 8,240. Then, here second and fourth both numbers are 3-digit numbers. So, we compare the each digits of that numbers. The first digit of both the numbers are same and the second digit is different, 0 and 1 respectively. We know that 1 is greater than 0. So next smaller number is 918 and the last we have to write 908 as it is the smallest number among all the other numbers. So this is how you can arrange the numbers in descending order. Now let's discuss about the building of numbers. Here I have taken 1, 8, 7, 3 numbers. So we have to find out the greatest 3-digit number and the smallest 3-digit number using these digits. So for greatest number we have to arrange the digits in descending order. So the descending order of this number is, look here, 8, 7, 1. So the greatest number is 871. And for the smallest 3-digit number, we have to arrange the given digits in ascending order. Look here, 1, 7, 8. It is also reverse number of greatest number. So the smallest 3-digit number is 178. This is how we can find the greatest and smallest number. If repetition is not allowed, means we don't repeat the given digit again. But what happens if the repetition is allowed? Then what would be the greatest and smallest 3-digit number? So if repetition of digits is allowed, then the greatest 3-digit number is 3 times 8, that is 888, because 8 is the greatest digit among them. and repetition is allowed. Similarly, here 1 is the smallest digit among them. So the smallest 3-digit number is 3 times 1 means 111. Now we will take one more example. I have taken here 5 numbers 1, 4, 6, 8, 7, and we have to find out the greatest 5-digit number and the smallest 5-digit number. But repetition is not allowed. So first we have to arrange the given digits in the descending order for finding the greatest number. So descending order of this number is 8, 7, 6, 4, 1. So the greatest 5-digit number is 87,641. For finding the smallest 5-digit number, we have to arrange the given digits in ascending order. So the ascending order of these digits is 1, 4, 6, 7, 8. So the smallest 5-digit number is 14,678. So this is how you build the greatest and smallest number by using the given digits. So in this video we learn about the comparison of numbers, number arrangement and building of numbers. I hope you all understand it clearly. If you have any doubt, then write in the comment section. Thank you.